That doesn't matter. Okay, go ahead and open it. Let me see, Layla. Is it? Let me see that.
Does it need to turn on?
I don't think so.
Hey! You tricked us for nothing.
What do you think of your present, Biko?
Bad.
You always said you needed batteries.
Nope. I hate it. Doesn't even turn on. That was the bad